I was really getting tired of wearing lace fronts. You know, sometimes with lace fronts, they can look really lacy and you can see the holes and everything. But I ran across this company, and I have to say that I love the whole idea of what they're doing. So I bought a thin part wig from the company. It's kind of like a U-part wig, but you don't have to have out as much leave out. I'm not a beautician by any standards or a stylist, hairstylist or anything. So it was really easy for me to put in. It's an amazing thing. They have been so amazing. Their customer service is awesome. The details of the actual wig that I'm wearing, I did some little beach wave curls in it, but it's a kinkier texture. It's called the Kelsey. I got it in 16-inch, and I was actually kind of concerned before I ordered it as to whether it was going to be too short, but I like 16 inches because I don't like my hair too long or too short. I kind of like it medium or a little bit longer, and it actually was a really good length for 16 inches. Like, I was very impressed. And the quality of it is really good. The texture is good. You can actually straighten it more if you want to make it more bone straight. But I like a more kinkier texture in my hair to match my roots. Price is kind of an investment, but it's worth it. On the higher side, I guess, but it's so worth it. I believe that the hair will last a long time. I feel like it was so worth it, and I will definitely be buying from them again. When I find something that I love, I want to share it because I feel like my girls need to know.